Hey there, nature lovers and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, your go-to spot for turning everyday natural elements into beautiful home decor. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most underrated treasures you might already have sitting in your backyard, tree stumps. That's right, we're exploring cool and creative tree stump decor ideas that are guaranteed to add rustic charm, earthy vibes, and a unique twist to your indoor or outdoor spaces. Tree stumps aren't just leftovers from a cut-down tree, they're full of character, texture, and potential. Whether you're aiming for cozy cabin vibes, boho chic garden corners, or even modern rustic elegance, there's a tree stump idea out there that'll fit your style perfectly. From transforming stumps into stylish side tables and artistic plant stands to carving them into whimsical fairy homes and functional garden seating, the possibilities are endless. Not only are these ideas visually stunning, but they're also eco-friendly and super affordable. Most of the time, you're working with what nature already gave you. In this video, I'll be walking you through a collection of my favorite tree stump decor inspirations. Some are super simple and beginner-friendly, while others are more detailed projects for those of you ready to get your hands dirty. So grab a cup of tea, hit that like button, and let's unlock the hidden beauty of tree stumps together. Whether you've got a stump in your yard or spot one on your next walk, you'll never look at it the same way again after this. Let's get started. Tree stump wooden design ideas have taken the world of interior and exterior decor by storm due to their rustic charm, eco-friendly appeal, and natural uniqueness. These timeless pieces bring a grounding energy to any space, making them perfect for a variety of design themes from boho chic to Scandinavian minimalism, modern rustic to farmhouse aesthetics. Whether salvaged from fallen trees or sustainably harvested, tree stumps offer a second life that celebrates nature's imperfections, knots, rings, and all. Tree stump furniture and decor can be as simple or as intricate as one's imagination allows, and with the right finishing touches, they become not only functional but also artistic statements. One of the most popular uses of tree stumps in design is as coffee tables. With their sturdy structure and organic forms, tree stumps serve beautifully in living rooms as low-profile coffee tables that act as both functional surfaces and conversation starters. Some designs maintain the raw bark exterior for a rugged appeal, while others are sanded smooth and finished with oils or stains that highlight the natural grain of the wood. These pieces can stand alone or be grouped in twos or threes to create a modular, nature-inspired centerpiece. When polished to a high gloss or paired with tempered glass, tree stump coffee tables gain a modern twist without losing their earthy essence. Beyond coffee tables, tree stumps are frequently transformed into side tables or nightstands. These compact furniture pieces work exceptionally well in both indoor and outdoor settings. A tree stump nightstand beside a bed introduces an organic touch that softens the geometry of a typical bedroom. When placed next to a sofa or reading chair, they offer a place for a book, drink, or decorative lamp. Custom touches like hairpin legs or casters can elevate a stump's function and portability, blending raw nature with contemporary design. For a whimsical and forest-inspired vibe, tree stumps with live moss tops or carved hollows can double as planters, bringing greenery indoors in a strikingly natural way. Tree stumps can also be used for more experimental or avant-garde designs. Designers have incorporated resin art into stumps to create unique statement furniture, such as benches that look like rivers flowing through wood. These hybrid stump resin pieces are both bold and beautiful, capturing the contrast between organic unpredictability and human craftsmanship. Others blend stumps with metal or glass to explore themes of contrast, cold versus warm, industrial versus natural. In high-end design circles, tree stump installations are used in boutique hotels, spas, and galleries to bring biophilic elements into luxurious spaces. Tree stump clocks, for example, blend functionality with natural art. A thick, smooth cross-section of stump fitted with clock hands and a quiet motor makes for a rustic yet stylish timepiece, suitable for any wall or tabletop. With the rings acting as a natural background design, each clock becomes one of a kind. Some include numerals or minimalist markers, while others embrace the abstract look, letting the wood speak for itself. In tech-friendly homes, tree stumps are even being adapted into charging stations or Bluetooth speaker housings. By drilling compartments into the stump and concealing cables, designers create rustic gadgets that support modern lifestyles. Hidden speakers encased in hollowed stumps offer a unique fusion of audio engineering and organic design, ideal for nature lovers who also appreciate their smart home setups. Tree stumps also serve as beautiful bases for terrariums or aquariums, acting as structural support and natural decoration in one. The texture of the wood enhances the visual appeal of glass terrariums filled with moss, pebbles, and small plants. In aquascaping, water-resistant stumps mimic natural riverbeds, offering fish shelter and contributing to the overall aesthetic of underwater ecosystems. Tree stump storage solutions are practical and aesthetic marvels. A stump hollowed from the top and fitted with a lid becomes a clever storage bin for toys, throws, or magazines. Some designs incorporate drawers or side doors, seamlessly blending hidden storage with stylish appearance. When placed in entryways, these multifunctional stumps offer a spot to sit while storing shoes, dog leashes, or seasonal gear. For wine lovers, a stump turned into a wine rack offers a striking and unconventional presentation, especially when the holes are carved into the side, displaying bottles at a slant against the wood's grain. Pet owners, too, find stump designs beneficial. A hollow stump can become a cozy pet bed, especially for small dogs or cats. Lined with cushions or natural wool, these stump beds blend into a rustic or forest-themed home. For outdoor use, larger stumps serve as pet platforms or natural scratching posts for cats, offering a rustic and enriching play area. Tree stump birdhouses and feeders also bring charm to gardens and patios. Crafted with attention to natural contours, they offer shelter and food to wildlife while becoming part of the garden's design language. In modern office setups, tree stumps find their place as minimalist laptop stands, footrests, or side tables. Their organic look contrasts well with sleek office chairs and metallic desk setups, adding warmth and balance to workspaces. Small stumps used as cable organizers or desk planters maintain a clean desk aesthetic while incorporating nature. In co-working spaces or meditation rooms, stump seating promotes a grounded atmosphere that encourages focus and calm. DIYers and upcyclers love tree stumps for their versatility and accessibility. From painted stump seats to wood-burned art pieces, tree stumps offer endless possibilities for creative experimentation. Applying milk paint, chalk paint, or even gold leaf to a stump can dramatically alter its vibe, turning it from rustic to regal, minimalist to bohemian, or modern to eclectic. Techniques like decoupage or mosaic tiling can add texture and detail to otherwise simple surfaces. Each stump becomes a canvas, limited only by imagination. Starting with abstract wooden wall art, one finds a realm rich with possibilities. Artists and crafters often turn to geometric patterns like chevrons, diamonds, or triangular mosaics that fit together in satisfying repetition. When executed on a large scale, these patterns become rhythmic, almost meditative. The choice of wood type adds another layer of depth, mixing walnut with pine, oak with cherry, creates subtle contrast that makes each section of the piece stand out. Such works are often left in their natural tones or stained with complementary shades to enhance the texture and definition of the design. Some artists push the idea further by burning, wire brushing, or distressing certain sections, creating a tactile quality that encourages not only visual admiration but also touch. And that wraps up our journey through the enchanting world of tree stump decor ideas. As we've seen, these humble pieces of nature can be transformed into stunning furniture, charming garden accents, and artistic statement pieces that breathe life and character into any space. Whether you're aiming for a rustic cabin vibe, a modern organic look, or something totally unique, tree stumps offer endless possibilities limited only by your imagination. From side tables and stools to planters, shelves, and fairy tale garden features, each stump carries its own story in its rings and textures, bringing warmth and authenticity into your home. Plus, repurposing tree stumps is a sustainable way to decorate, honoring the beauty of nature while reducing waste. We hope today's ideas inspired you to see tree stumps not just as remnants of the forest, but as raw, natural treasures full of potential. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more creative and eco-friendly home inspiration. Thanks for watching Kuki Decor, where nature meets creativity, and your home becomes a canvas of style and soul. See you in the next video.